On some real shit though, I ain't never had this happen to me in my life. This is Cuban shit for real.
You are watching a master at work.
So I'm finally back in Cuba for the first time in 5 years. To say that I was excited would be an understatement.
Where we at right now, Rod?
Cuba.
This spot was cheap and definitely clean and close like I like it. Just got to Cuba, trying to find Rod's Airbnb. We ain't quite sure where it's at, but we gonna find it. See what's going on. It's starting to get dark. See what the nightlife hitting on. So the lady that checked Rod into his Airbnb had a fat little ass, so Rod gonna say damn out loud by accident. But she did exchange our money though, so that was cool. So now that we got the crew all together, it was time to hit the streets, walk up to the capital area where a lot of people hang out. So the streets in the old city definitely get dark, but in between that is restaurants and little places you can stop in, and it's definitely a dope vibe. Found this little eating spot. Figure we might as well get something to eat before we try to head out to the club. So after we ate, it was time to change clothes, jump in a taxi, and see what the nightlife was about. Hey, yo, y'all be finding the work. Look at this joint. All right, let's go. So we decided to come to the LM Club, which turned out to be my favorite spot in Cuba. So these chicks was pretty much hovering around us the whole entire night, ordering extra drinks on Bio's tab, and then basically was trying to force us to take them home. But we had other ideas.
Same spot. Y'all two niggas must be involved in my man.
You are beautiful. He want to pay 200 though.
No.
200.
No, I don't. I will sue.
And you got us stuck. I told you to drive. We wanted no chicas. How do you feel about that? You feel bad? You should feel bad. No chicas, and then he got us harassed by chicas.
But your friend says stop.
Nick is drunk. Are you drunk, Nick? Hey, mommy.
Goddamn.
I'm getting my key ready right now. If you think they finna take them ass cheeses,
They Reese's Puffs. No,
I got my key ready. I'm about to run.
And this is wild.
I am about to run.
On some real shit though, I ain't never had this happen to me in my life. This is Cuban shit for
I
real.
am about to run.
That nigga's stupid.
Are you scared, Rod? Why you scared? Why you scared, Rod?
Man, I got my key ready. I'm about to run.
Hey, look at me. I ain't afraid of shit.
Yes, she is. Hey, and she said Big Baller Rob gonna pay 200.
I told her ass.
Hey, he said,
Solo, you okay?
yo, yeah, mama.
Maybe. Oh my
God, yo. Whenever you hit confused. Oh, it's
Nick.
Hey, oh my. Your boy Rod literally just fucking.
Oh shit. I think it's this way.